will actually sleep on that hill tonight. That hill.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a disposable camera that my flatmate gave, so I can take some really nice pictures. Because usually I lose everything that is in my phone.
It's so true what we do. We really hike, we really camp out. So if we have to do a scene where we're tired for walking up a mountain, then we're actually really tired. You could feel certain muscles aching and nagging at you, but that also really helps the performance. We're laying down. Could be worse. It's dry, no midges.
Yeah.
I think those are the primary things in Scotland. If it's dry and you have no midges, it's a lovely day.
Today, yeah.